Welcome to 733 Citrus Reserve Boulevard in Davenport, Florida, a beautifully maintained Dover model by Lennar that offers comfort, efficiency, and style in one of the area's most sought-after communities. This single-story home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,555 square feet of well-designed living space. Step inside to discover an open concept layout with stunning wood look tile flooring that flows seamlessly through the main living areas, creating a warm and cohesive feel. The modern kitchen is both stylish and functional, featuring quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a center island, and a spacious pantry. The owner's suite is privately situated and includes a large walk-in closet and a dual sink ensuite bath. This smart home includes keyless entry, a video doorbell, and solar panels for added energy efficiency and peace of mind. Step outside to enjoy a beautifully upgraded backyard with a pavered patio, perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or enjoying Florida's year-round sunshine. Citrus Reserve residents enjoy access to a resort-style pool, shaded pavilion, playground, and dog park. Conveniently located near I-4, shopping, dining, medical facilities, and world-class attractions like Disney and Universal, this home is an ideal choice for those seeking lifestyle and location. Don't miss the chance to make this move-and-ready home yours. Schedule your private showing today.